Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Supreme Education School System. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am going to talk about conservation of natural resources. Natural resources are the things like water, air, forests, and land that we are going to use in our daily life. Human impact on environment. Human activities are harming the environment. Before we had clean air and healthy rivers, but now pollution and deforestation are increasing. A clean environment is very important for a healthy life. So we have four types of pollution: air pollution, smoke, air pollution caused by smoke from factories and vehicles, water pollution caused by waste in river and seas, land pollution caused by garbage and chemicals, noise pollution caused by loud sound. So the next topic is deforestation. What is deforestation, students? Trees are cut from roads and buildings. This destroy animal homes and damages the land. डिफॉरेस्टेशन में क्या होता है, एज यू सी द पिक्चर, हम ट्रीज़ को कट कर देते हैं. सो इससे होता क्या है कि एनिमल्स और होम्स जो होते हैं वो डैमेजेस हो जाते हैं. वट इफ रिसोर्सेज रन आउट, क्या होगा अगर रिसोर्सेज ख़त्म हो जाए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वाटर. वाटर इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स नीड वाटर फॉर टू लिव. वाटर, यू यूज़ वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. किन किन चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ होता है? ड्रिंकिंग, कुकिंग, बाथिंग, washing, and other activities. So we can save natural resources in the following ways. First, we're gonna adopt the 3R strategy. What are 3R strategy? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Minimize waste production and recycle the material. Alternative energy, use solar energy instead of coal and gas. Plant trees. More and more planting rather than cutting down the trees. Use buckets instead of shower for bathing. Walk or cycle. Reduce vehicles for short distance. So students, these are the animals, endangered animals of Pakistan: green sea turtles, long-billed vultures, Siberian crane, snow leopard, Indus dolphin, or markhor. How do we protecting these animals? First of all, protect habitats, control pollutions, and the most important, ban hunting. Stop illegal wildlife hunting. New parks, develop protected areas. Extinct animals. What are these animals? Animals that have died, जो मर चुके हैं, and no more longer found on the earth are called extinct animal. Look at these pictures very carefully. They are no more. We don't see the dinosaurs. We know about extinct animals through their skeleton and bones. There are some key points which we already discussed in this chapter. I hope you will understand it very well. Thank you so much.